What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. This is day 3 of the MyEcon Income Shifting Membership Review 2025 video. And in this video, we're going to be looking at the MyCredit system. Now, what is the MyCredit system? The MyCredit system helps you repair your credit yourself, helping you save thousands of dollars from paying other companies or somebody else to repair your credit for you when you can do it yourself. And then you can learn these skill sets and show someone else how they can do it as well. So the MyCredit system is going to help you go from wherever you're at right now with your credit score, adding points to your credit score as you follow along with the process. There are strategic steps that you must follow in order for this to work, and if you're not willing to follow the steps, then it's really not going to do you any good. Now, I understand that some people want other people to do it for them, but do you really want to be giving your personal information to these outside companies who are just going to string you along in order to keep you paying monthly fees when you can do this yourself and start seeing results in 30 days or less? So you can do this yourself. Now, I did a video yesterday on correcting the W-4 form. You can find it on this video either to my right or to my left. That's going to teach you how to correct your W-4 form if you're working a 9-to-5 job. So what that's going to do is put money back into your paycheck without you having to ask your boss for a raise or ask anyone permission for a raise. You can just fill out this form, the W-4 form, the correct way and get the results that you want. So today we're looking at MyCredit system. Now, when you join MyEcon by clicking the link in the description that is below, you're going to come into your back office, and then you're going to come to what is called the BMC home page. On the BMC homepage, you're going to see the carousels here. What I want you to do is go to the MyCredit system section by clicking on it here. Now, understand that this does work only if you work it. There are strategic steps that you must follow in order for this to work for you. And in order for it to work for anybody, they have to be willing to follow the step, and you have to be willing to stick with it. This is not a quick process. This is a slow process, but it works if you put it to work. So you're going to click on the MyCredit system. Now, this does work because I have actually used this myself. When my credit score was below par, it was hard for me to get a car. It was a car at a good interest rate. It was hard for me to get anything because I was paying those high interest rates. But this puts money back into your pocket when you correct your credit, get your credit straight. Now you're saving more money on interest that you no longer have to pay out. So that's what the MyCredit system does. So it works only if you put it to work and do it strategically and take your time at doing it. Don't be in a hurry. These are things that takes time, but you have to be willing to work with it. And this is an ongoing process, monitoring your credit, keeping your credit straight. But anytime that you feel like something's wrong, you can come back in here and go through this system again. It's going to always be available to you as long as you are a member inside of MyEcon. So let's kind of go through the MyCredit system. Now, the duration of all the videos combined is 24 minutes and 33 seconds. You have your navigation over here, the introduction, and you create your dispute letters. Now, we're just going to gradually go down through here, and we're going to look at each video. I'm not going to play them, but I just want to show you the process that you're going to go through. So the first thing you're going to have is the welcome to the MyCredit system video. Just a little 30-second video. Watch this video. Now, the first step in the process is pulling your credit report. That's what you want to do, and they give you the steps right here. Step 1, pull your credit report. Because before you can begin to repair your credit report, you must first know your credit score and to what negative items are being reported. There are numerous websites where you can get your credit score report. MyEcon recommends that you go to annualcreditreport.com or MyFICA. Now, MyFICA has a fee, but myannualcreditreport.com is free. And it used to be you could only get your credit report once a year. Now you're able to pull your credit report weekly from all 3 of the top credit reporting agencies. So you're able to do that. So you're going to simply click this link right here. and go and follow the process. Now you will have to set up a code, get everything set up if this is your first time doing it, and if you have done it before, make sure you know what that code is so you can get back in and do everything again. So I recommend that you use annualcreditreport.com. Once you have pulled your credit report, you've gone through it, you see some things on there that does not look right, okay, because this video is going to tell you what to look for. Okay, you're going to come to step 2 in the process. You're going to freeze secondary bureaus. Okay, and what this does, this stops people from pulling your credit history from these other secondary bureaus, such as Innovus Consumer Assistant and LexisNexis Risk Solution Consumer. Okay, so you're going to come through this bureau, and before you begin disputing errors on your credit report, you're going to want to freeze your credit file on secondary consumer reporting agency that contains information that big 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, use to verify your credit. So that's the reason why you want to do that. These 3 right here actually pull your credit from these secondary bureaus. So if you freeze that, they can no longer do that. So you want to go through that process right there using these 2 websites, and don't worry, the video shows you how to do it. 2 minutes, almost 3 minute long video. Then you're able to download a list of consumer reporting agencies if you want to do that. But the only credit reports you need to freeze are LexisNexis and Innovus. Okay, so those are the only 2 you really want to freeze. Step 3 of the process, you're going to check for errors. Okay, the Fair Credit Reporting Act states that any information that is listed on your credit report that is inaccurate, outdated, unverifiable must be removed from your credit file. So you can download the common credit report errors. Okay, and you go through this video right here that's going to show you how to check for it, what you should be looking for, and everything that you need in order to find errors that are on your credit report. Step 4 in the process is you're going to start the dispute process. This is a 6-minute, 40-second video. You start the dispute process. Okay, and the beauty about this, the credit dispute process is one of the most challenging parts of the credit repair. This is because you are not in total control of the outcome. In this step, you will learn how to work with the credit bureau and removing negative items from your credit report. Now, the beauty of this is you do not have to come up with any of the dispute letters. All you have to do is click right here, and you'll be able to do your dispute letters, print them off, get them notarized, and all of that good stuff, and then you're good to go. So each dispute letter is in here, and there's a step-by-step strategic way that you need to do this. Just follow the video. Okay, so you have that there. Then you had addendum 1 that you can listen to, addendum 2. You need to watch these videos so you can understand why you're doing what you're doing and how this is going to work for you. You have the credit bureau's addresses here, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Okay, you can download the dispute letters if you wish to do that. Each one of them are here as well. Okay, all identity dispute, credit inquiry dispute, credit dispute letters 1 through 5, debt validation letter, goodwill letter, pay for your debt delete letter, how to remove medical collection letter, 30-day no response. Okay, everything you need is right here inside of this section. So that's step 4 in the process. Step 5, okay, some more. Step 4 is you have some file a complaint with the CFBP. You can file, that's the Consumer Federal Protection Bureau. You have the Federal Trade Commission right here. If you suspect a victim of identity theft, you can claim a claim here and receive a recovery plan in the state of a general, and things that you need to know right there. Step from the 5 is credit utilization, how to utilize credit in the right way. Credit utilization counts towards 30% of your credit score. Okay, so you can read this right here. So it is a scoring component that you have complete control over that yield massive increase in points toward your favor. Your revolving credit utilization should never exceed 30% for the best scores. Credit utilization below 10% yield the most amount of the points for this category. So you're going to learn about credit utilization here in this video here. And then in step number 6, you're going to build your credit. The final step to credit building process is to add good credit history to your report. As the negative report history ages, it will count less towards your score, and new credit history will count more towards your score. So they're going to give you access to credit loan building program, Self, Credit Strong, Secure Credit Card. They are listed here: Self Visa, Chime, Secure, Open Sky, First Progress, Discover It, and then download How to Build Your Credit Paying Your Rent. So you can do that as well. And then the last and final step is congratulations, you have done what you needed to do. Now, if this is here for you to come back and follow and learn and do and strategically fix your credit repair, fix your credit score, get it to where you want it to be. Having an excellent credit score opens up doors for you that are not open for you right now, meaning your interest rates are lower. You get unsecured loans because you have a good credit score. Walk in there and get that car that you want, that house that you want. If you get started on this right now as soon as possible, within 30 days or more, like I said, this is a slow process, 30 days or more, you can be seeing and yielding results on your credit report. So if you're ready to join MyEcon so you can fix your credit yourself, go ahead, click that link in the description below. And I look forward to joining you in MyEcon. When you join me in MyEcon, if you decide that you want to work the business opportunity side of it, I have some bonuses that I'm going to share with you. Okay, it's going to give you access to a free system with training and everything you need in order to be successful. So with that being said, that's the end of this video. Subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.